Quick video, new tires. Application of new tires is not normally recommended, but in this case we're using prep concentrate, our prep concentrate blended in our old bottle. And one thing about these KUMHOs, you hear that? Quite tactile. It's not slick. They're not picking up on the fact there's very limited mold release agents or synthetic waxes on the surface of this sidewall. Now, if you feel the interior, oh yeah, you'd never be able to get Renew Protect to bond correctly to a new surface like that. It's actually a bit greasy. But unlike most new tires, it always varies. These KUMHOs, it's fairly dry. So we're going to go ahead and clean them with prep, coat both sides before installation. And I love new tires. I'm geeking out. Love the feel of new tires on my car, even my old car.